guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a work week or a school week, so 5 days of breakfasts that take under 10 minutes to make each. So if you are the type of person who really likes to eat a good breakfast and who looks forward to breakfast every day, but don't necessarily have a ton of time in the mornings, then these are perfect for you. These recipes also use similar ingredients, and I included a shopping list that you can check off what you have and then go pick up what you need so that you can make all of these recipes this week or any week, any 5-day period. Got you covered. So that is everything I have to say for now. Let's get into it. So we are starting off by chopping up a red bell pepper and red onion and crumbling a block of firm tofu. In the meantime, you can add some hash browns to a frying pan and let those cook for the duration of the rest of the recipe. In a separate frying pan, you can add some oil along with the veggies and tofu and cook that for a few minutes until the tofu starts to brown. Then you want to add some turmeric for color and some salt and pepper. And then the key ingredient here is hot sauce. So you want to add a good amount of hot sauce. It helps it brown really well and gives it amazing flavor and a little bit of spice. So cook that for a good 5 minutes until it is more browned, and then you can add in some spinach if you like, and just cook that for another minute until it is wilted. Then you want to plate that up with the hash browns and half of the tofu scramble, and then you want to put the other half aside for a recipe that we will be making later in the week. So take 2 pieces of your favorite type of bread, mine is sourdough, and you can butter both sides of that with vegan butter, or some softened coconut oil would work too if you don't have vegan butter. Then you want to add some nut butter, so I'm using raw almond butter. Slice up a banana and just add that as well. Then you want to preheat a frying pan to medium heat and put the sandwich in and basically just cook it like you would a grilled cheese until it is toasty and crispy on both sides. I like to finish mine off with a good drizzle of maple syrup and then eat it with a fork and knife, but this is optional, of course. You can just eat it plain as well. For this oatmeal, I used large flake quick oats and I just microwaved them, so I just followed the instructions on the package to do that. Then I added in some brown sugar, frozen blueberries, a scoop of almond butter, half of a banana sliced up. Then I added in some squares of vegan chocolate, and then I just kept adding toppings, so I also added some shredded coconut and cacao nibs. So for this one, you are going to toast 2 pieces of your favorite bread and then just add a little bit of vegan butter. And then you want to add some greens. I used spinach, which is one of my favorite greens. And then just microwave the rest of the tofu scramble that you had left over from the first recipe and add that to the toast as well. And then add a spoonful of salsa and a sprinkling of vegan cheese if you want. The vegan cheese is optional, but if you have it, it's a really nice addition to this toast. Start off with a small mug and then add in the flour, sugar, and baking powder and use a fork to whisk that all together. And then you want to add your almond milk and oil. You can also add in some vanilla or cinnamon or extra flavorings, but just to keep it simple, that is all we're going to add. And just stir it and make sure you scrape the bottom. And then you can add in some frozen blueberries and give that a stir before you pop it into the microwave and cook it for about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes, but take it out at 1.5 minutes and test it. It might still look a tiny bit wet on top, but that's okay. You just don't want to overcook it. I really hope you guys enjoyed those recipes, and let me know what you thought of them in the comments below. As you guys know, I really love sharing with you things that I love and brands that I think are doing great things. So I wanted to take a minute to talk about the sponsor of today's video, which is Folane. So Folane is described as like the Sephora of clean beauty products. So they are a clean beauty retailer with a curated selection of 100% safe and non-toxic beauty products. So what I wanted to share with you guys today is their clean beauty kit. And the kit is 100% vegan and cruelty free, and it has 4 sample/travel sizes of essential products. So there is a cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and a soap. Basically, this kit is just the perfect gateway for anyone looking to kind of try out clean, natural, non-toxic beauty products, but you don't want to necessarily commit to the large sizes yet. So I'll show you what the products are that is in it. So this is the soap. This is the Folane brand soap. Then they also have the Osea Ocean Cleanser. I actually had this a few years ago and I really loved it. Then they have the Indie Lee Toner, the Ursa Major Moisturizer. They are offering it to the first 100 people to click the link in the description box, 50% off, so it will be $22 and free shipping. If you guys are interested in checking out this cute little bag of products, you also get the bag with it, then just click the link in the description box below. You guys should also just check out Folane in general, go on their website, I'll link it below too. So a huge thank you to Folane for that offer, and how cute is this makeup bag? It's like the perfect size and it's like a nice canvas bag. Anyways, so that is everything I have to say for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!